So hello everyone, welcome to TradeBrains. Thank you for your love and support. So today we'll be discussing about option chain. Okay, so option chain is basically nothing but the position of the calls and the puts by which you can understand. So where is the market trend? For example, in this area, right? The market has moved like in a sideways pattern or whatever, like in last 4 days, 5 days, 7 days, 1 month. Market has moved in this range, right? So to understand what is the range of the market in the upcoming days, we use the option chain. Okay, so we have one website called opstradefineedge.com. So I will give you the link in the description. You just open and log into this account. Okay, it's free. You don't have to pay anything. Like lot of important features are there which you can use for trading. Okay, so after that you open this particular tab, that is option. Okay, and come to option chain. Here we have a particular option called option chain. Okay, just click on it. So when you click on this particular option chain, you will find here Nifty and 6 May 2021, right? So 6 May means this is the coming expiry, that is Thursday. Okay, so you just refresh it once more and come to the option chain. So this is basically our option chain data. Okay, so on the right side we have our put data, and on the left side we have our call data. Okay, so this is, you can see it is the puts and this is the calls, right? So after you come to this particular table, what you have to do is you just scroll down. Okay, and after that you will get a green area. Okay, green row. So this is nothing but the current price of the Nifty, that is 14,650. This is the area where today Nifty has closed, right? So this is the area. So 14,650's call is represented here. That is the current price also, you can see, right? This is the current price of 14,650 call and sorry, put, and 14,650 put is here. Okay, so this is the price of the put. Okay, so from the option chain, how to find what is the range? Okay, because in option chain you will easily understand where are the option sellers selling the particular call and put. So for example, if 14,100 call is sold, okay, very much in very heavy quantity, obviously the market will never reach that particular level, right? So that means 14,100 put, if 14,100 put is sold in a huge volume, that means market will expire above 14,100. Otherwise they can't make money because the premium has to go zero, right? Similarly here, right, in upside also, if 15,100 call is sold in a very high volumes, you can easily understand market will stay below 14,100. Okay, so from this particular chart, how to understand what is the highest support and the highest resistance, okay, for this particular expiry or the week, because we are looking to 6 May's data, right? So here you just have to come. Okay, so put and calls. Okay, so come to the puts tab, and wherever your strike price, just see above that particular thing, that means below. So 14,650, if you go upside you will get 14,500, 14,300, 200, because support will be there itself, right? So just we have to find something very like simple thing, that is we have to check on this volume and OI. Okay, so you can skip for this particular volume now. Okay, just remove the volume. We don't need this volume, we just need for this particular OI data. Okay, so in this particular range, right, you just have to find which particular row is having the highest number of OI. So you check 41,000, 5,000, 20,000, 7,000. You just check which is the highest number over here. So if you see here, 40,000, one number is coming, 40,000. This is the highest number, right? In this particular area, another number is there, 41,000. That is very far away, so we will not consider it for this time frame, but we can. Okay, so I will explain you later about that. So 40,955 is the highest number in this particular area. Okay, so when you got that, just come here, okay, and mark this area. Okay, and similarly what you will do for the upside, if you see, you just have to refer to the call data. Okay, now we have seen the put, and you now have to see for the call. Okay, if you come to the call, you will see this particular area, 58,000, right? So the OI for 15,000 call is having 58,000 crores, right? But if you see here, none of the numbers are greater. So 28,000 there, 36,000 there, 30 there. Now we got 58,000. Just mark this particular thing. So from this thing, we are very much clear that market has today closed here, and the range that is coming up for this weekly expiry is this particular range. Okay, so that is 14,500 to 15,000. So we can easily understand. So now also here will be multiple resistance, right? So 14,700, see there is 28,000 crores of calls that is being sold, right? So this is a good resistance. Then again 36,000 is there. After 36,000 there is 58,000. So these numbers will act as a resistance. So higher the number, the higher the resistance. And similarly in put side, higher the number, the higher is the support you will get. So here 14,500. So today why I have said that 14,500 will act as a good support. From last few weeks 14,500 had a very good number of open interest in put side. Okay, so that's why I easily told that market will reverse from there, because the smart people or the option sellers or FII have the position in option sellings only, right? They sell the options and they make money. Okay, and we the retail investor always plan to buy the option with like very less amount of money, and we think that it will grow into a huge thing. But if you see in the Nifty charts, if you go that you will see that the market is continuously moving in a range. It does not move in a same way. 70% of the time market will be in a flat move, and only few times it will be trending. So we have to plan according to that particular range. So most people will tell you below 14,500, if market comes to 14,500, you just sell the market. Okay, so you will get a trending, but it won't happen, because 14,500 is the level where the option sellers have sold the put. Okay, similarly people will say if market goes near 15,000, you just buy 15,000 in Nifty. Okay, that is also not possible, because that is the resistance where people, we have to trust these data. Okay, otherwise we can't be successful. Okay, so that's why I have given the level that 14,700. If Nifty breaks, just buy it, because it will try to reach 15,000, and there is no harm reaching 15,000, right? Because 15,000 has a call writing. It let it expire below 15,000, but 14,700 to 15,000, if you get that move, will make money, right? Similarly, if market, I used to say 2 days back, if market opens flat, just sell it. Okay, then 14,500 will be near, because 14,500 has a support. Don't wait for 14,500. So this is how we analyze from the option chains. So once more, I'm giving you a recap for this thing. You just open the option chain, go to the OI and find the highest number in the OI tab. Okay, so you will get 14,955 here. Just mark the corresponding level strike price here, 14,500. So that means what we can say, 14,500 put is sold in a huge quantity. Okay, similarly for call side, 15,000 call is sold at a highest number of times. Okay, so this is how you just have to find out the range of the market, and this is very important if you guys are planning for like option selling or whatever. This particular thing is very important, because if you don't understand what is the range of the market, you cannot trade in the market. Okay, so thank you everyone, thank you for all your love and support. Stay safe. Okay.